Alright, so today on Junkyard Digs we'll be starting the revival of the barn find Fiat. This thing is a true barn find. It's been in the shed for years. We're going to try to get it running and drive it out of here. Hey buddy! How's it going? We've got some work to do. Let's get started. We have spark. Crank it. Let's dig this thing out of the barn. It runs.
Dig it out of the possum pit.
Let's see if we can get it to drive. Fiat has landed back where it once was many years ago in the garage. This is going to be interesting. Let's see what we can do. First off, vacuum.
don't.
The brakes don't. This shit's nuts. Clutch works. Boom! The Fiat runs and drives. All I had to do was contract honkavirus and herpes, along with a little bit of rabies and some gonorrhea herpes, and it ran. That's all it took. Now all we actually did was freed up the stuck brake drum, played around with the carburetor a little bit just to get it to run enough. It still needs rebuilt. The timing's a mess. The car is disgusting still. It's full of poop. But the clutch freed up on its own when I drove it, so once again, sending it has prevailed. If you guys want to see constant updates on this car along with all the other crazy cars and rides I have going around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Junkyard Digs. You can also follow the Instagram page, Junkyard_Digs, for the latest updates on things like this. So, with all that being said, I will see you guys next time on Junkyard Digs. Peace.